And this comes after the UP Electricity Department flagged certain irregularities allegedly in the electricity usage at the premises of the MP from Sambhal. Now, according to the superintendent engineer of the electricity department, there are 2 electricity connections at the MP's premises. According to the police, one is a 2 kilowatt connection that is registered under the name of MP Ziaur Rahman, located in the front of the property. The second one is another 2 kilowatt connection under the name of his grandfather Shafiqur Rahman Park. Now investigation that is being carried out as far as with the installation of smart meters that is also being done by the authorities to point out if there were certain irregularities when it comes to the consumption of electricity.
Amid tight security, today morning, electricity department employee came down knocking at Member Parliament Ziaur Rahman's residence here in Sambhal area. Already electricity department has flagged irregularities in usage of power supply by Ziaur Rahman and his family. They found that there are 2 meters installed. One of the meters is registered in the name of Member Parliament Ziaur Rahman. Other meter is registered in the name of his grandfather Shafiqur Rahman Park. But after death of Shafiqur Rahman, the meter name was not updated. So that's one of the reasons the department has already decided to seal that meter. And that meter will be sent to laboratory and that process will be properly videographed. Not only that, they have also found, and the city department has found, indiscrepancies in the bills because they found that the unit consumed in the last 6 months had been 0. So they are completely amazed. How come the 0 units have been consumed? And what more has led them scratch their forehead is when they found that the unit consumed by below poverty line is more than what has been consumed by Burke and his family member. That's one of the reasons that today the department employee, they came out to this place, they inspected the site, they tried to note down the electric appliances and other electricity things that are being used by the family members so that they can make proper list of it, because that way they will be able to compare the load with the unit consumed. So that way it will become a little bit easier for them. So today they have noted down everything. Amid tight security, you can see large contingent of rapid action force personnel, police personnel, they were on spot, because in the past also whenever such action has been initiated against electric theft, there has been resistance from the locals. This time they were not taking any chance. That's one of the reason that they came with the heavy contingent. Though the family members objected to it, they said that they should not allow the media person to come inside. And after that, the media just moved out and they started shooting from outside residence. Though the family members are saying that they should have properly informed us without information. How come they came over with a heavy contingent of police personnel? But when we spoke to the administration people, they said that it is their duty to help us in this regard, because we are acting against power theft. Already the campaign has been started because there have been irregularities found in several areas. So we have started from this vision, and irregularities were found in the billing as well as in the usage of electricity by the Member Parliament. So that's one of the reasons that we are properly checking this thing.
So as far as the Bijli Chori probe is concerned, the Sambhal MP have now been booked as well. We are talking about the Samajwadi Party parliamentarian, where FIR that has now been filed against him as far as the electricity theft case is concerned. This comes after the police that reached his residence for further checks. We'll be getting you the details of the FIR copy as well, but this seems to be another as far as of a setback there to the Samajwadi Party MP, who's already been booked by the police for the violence there that happened in November. And now this is over. The charges that we are told has been leveled over the alleged misuse of electricity. Let's quickly get a word from Pradeep Datta, who's joining us live right now. Pradeep, all right, already when it comes to the FIRs on violence, and now we are told that the FIR when it comes to alleged case of electricity theft as well, where the Samajwadi Party MP has now been booked by the police.
Yes, the department has tightened rules against Samajwadi Party Member Parliament Ziaur Rahman Burke, and they have lodged 2 FIR. One FIR is for tampering of the meter, that's a power theft case, and the second FIR is against the family members who were trying to intimidate electricity staff members who were there for the inspection. A short while back, I spoke to the junior engineer. He said that Mamlukur Rahman, father of Ziaur Rahman Burke, threatened him. He said that once we will come to power, we will also see you and we will also lodge an FIR against you. Nahi sarkar aayegi to aapko dekh lenge. There is a the police has decided to release audio of that audio clip of that particular moment also, so that tomorrow they do not say that it is simply a vindictive attitude of the government and the government is trying to settle score with them. So that's one of the reasons the police will be releasing that audio clip also. So they are saying that we are not targeting, we are just providing you the proof. So 2 FIR has been launched, one for tampering of the meter, power theft, and the second is about intimidating and threatening the power staff who were performing their duty. Because let me tell you, because what they have found during this process, they have found that there are several electric appliances and gadgets. The load is up to 16.5, but they had 2 meters installed. One meter of 2 kilowatt that was in the name of Shafiqur Rahman, grandfather of Member Parliament Ziaur Rahman Burke, and that Shafiqur Rahman has already died. The name of that meter was not updated, and second meter was in the name of Ziaur Rahman Burke, who is the Member Parliament. And both the meters, what the investigation has found, that both the meters were tampered because load was more, electric consumption was more, but the units were very less. As already we have shown you the list that from January till June month, the consumption unit was about 0. And if you compare it with the people who are below poverty line, यानी कि गरीबी की रेखा से नीचे वाले सतर के लोग, they were having more electricity unit consumption. So that really led electricity department to scratch their forehead, what really is wrong, and they started investigating. And when the investigation is now complete, they found that both the meters were tampered. And now the question arises, the Member Parliament is someone who has to set an example for the people to follow. The Member Parliament has not to be involved in all these things, because he should have been the first one to install smart meter. He should have been the first one to generate awareness against power theft. But instead, what actually they have found, that the meters installed at his place were tampered, and because of which it was showing 0 units, and while the electricity consumption was more than 16.5 kilowatt. So you can yourself see that how much of the electricity was used, and they were paying hardly peanuts in this regard. So that's one of the reasons now even the government is looking at this aspect. Maybe they are going to impose penalty on the family members also for this power theft, and that they are looking into. For time being, all I can say, the 2 FIR has been launched, one for the power theft, tampering of the meter, and the second FIR is for intimidating the staff members who were only performing their duty, because administration maintains one.
All right, so 2 FIRs that we are told, as far as that is now been booked, where the Samajwadi Party MP has been named. Yes, Sagrika, the details of the FIR.
And this is the details of the FIR based on a complaint that has been filed. The complaint has been attached along with the copy of the FIR, which has been booked under section 135. And, there are 2 FIRs, like Pradeep Datta has been telling us. And in this, the name that has been mentioned here, this is the FIR in this Vidyut Vitrit Khand Sambhal. They are talking about the addresses given here in the FIR, and as per the details of the FIR, what we are getting to know is that the contents of the FIR here, they go on to say that उपरोक्त विषयक आपको अवगत कराना चाहते हैं कि आज on 19 December at around 7:30 विद्युत उपभोग जियाउर रहमान बर्क रहमान के निवास. So they're talking about how they went to his place, and they went along with police officials to carry out a kind of an investigation after some complaints had surfaced, and those details are mentioned here. And as per that, they are saying in the FIR itself that this has been, ये स्पष्ट होता है कि मीटर को बाईपास कर अवैध रूप से विद्युत का प्रयोग कर विद्युत चोरी की गई. So this is the operational part in the FIR. So the FIR mentions that there was meter tampering and electricity theft took place illegally. This is mentioned here. उपभोक्ताओं के मीटर की जांच करने पर मीटर की MRI रिपोर्ट की पुष्टि होने के उपरांत ये स्पष्ट होता है कि मीटर को बाईपास कर अवैध रूप से विद्युत का प्रयोग कर विद्युत चोरी की गई. So the charge here is that there was an investigation of the meters that were placed in the MP's house. The complaints came to the fore when the administration was in fact carrying out these raids over the last few days. There was some anti-encroachment drive also that was underway, and now it was found out that the bills that came in from the SP MP's house that showed meter reading of 0 units, after which the investigation was carried out. A large presence of security personnel went in this morning. There were also electricity department officials present at the residence. They carried out investigation, and after the investigation, the FIR has been filed where the SP MP has been accused of power theft and meter tampering.
All right. Thank you, Sagrika, for that. That is the details that are now coming in. Of course, the details of the bills, the electricity bills that has also been accessed, which actually shows when it comes to zero consumption of electricity and when it comes to a family there, despite staying there, how is that we are looking at two connections, one in the name of his grandfather and one in his name, that we are looking at as far as the charges that have been of two of those FIRs that have now been filed in the alleged case of electricity theft and meter tampering, and of course the second one which talks about intimidating the officials while being on duty. Let's listen into the reaction coming in.
विद्युत विभाग द्वारा यहाँ पर निरीक्षण किया जा रहा है जिससे कि विद्युत सप्लाई की स्थिति को नापा जा सके। उनके द्वारा यह कार्य सुचारू रूप से किया जा रहा है। उनके द्वारा पुलिस बल की मांग की गई थी जिसमें पुलिस बल उपलब्ध है और सकुशल कार्य किया जा रहा है और यहाँ पर सकुशल कार्य संपन्न कराने के लिए पर्याप्त पुलिस बल उपस्थित है। कार्य सुचारू रूप से हो रहा है। विद्युत विभाग द्वारा जो निरीक्षण किया जा रहा है उनके द्वारा अन्य जो सहायता मांगी जाएगी पुलिस बल उपलब्ध कराया जाएगा।
All right, going back to Pradeep on that. Pradeep, as far as the electricity bills that are also concerned over a period of time that have also now been accessed, if you can simplify when it comes to the details that have now been talked about, because it talks about certain areas, what has been a carry forward amount as well, were the previous amount not being paid by the family, the bill exactly when it comes to one of the meter that is still in the name of Shafiqur Rahman Barg, and there are several months which actually shows zero, that means zero consumption of electricity despite a family there living in that same residence.
See, no rocket science is required to understand these things. Right now, I've got the list of the electric appliances at their place. If you look at, when you look at in the month of January, it was zero consumption. So if you look at the electric appliance, that will in fact tell the whole story. In the first floor, they found that there was a LED light, there was ceiling fan, there were refrigerator, then there was a split AC, LED bulb, fresh air fan, and then there was in the second floor again LED light, fridge, freezer, induction, exhaust fan, ceiling fan, split AC, and other geysers and other electric appliances. And then third story, they found LED fan, they found the pan, the fridge, oven, mirror, coffee, and split AC, and the television set. So that if with such kind of an electric appliance installed at your place, you can't have the zero consumption. So that's for anybody to understand what really was going on. That's one of the reasons they have found that one, the electric meters were tampered. They have tampered with the electric meter. And the second, they have bypassed the electric meter also. That means through other source they were getting electricity, but they were not paying for that. Bijli aap use kar rahe the, they were not paying for that. That's what actually they had been doing. So in the morning when I asked the official, they said gadbad to hai, because you can see from January till June it is zero consumption. And when you look at the meter consumption of the people below poverty line, यानी कि गरीबी रेखा से जो नीचे के लोग हैं, if you look at that, their consumption is 183 unit, 170 unit, and their consumption even in other months is 36 unit, 18 unit, 15 unit. So that clearly indicates that something wrong was happening. So now the administration has acted against them, tightened noose against them. FIR has been lodged in power theft, and the second FIR has been lodged, ek to chori, upar se sina zori. That's what they're saying. They're saying that when
so the Samajwadi Party MP has now been booked as far as these two FIRs that are now concerned, one for alleged case of electricity theft and meter tampering, and the other one suggests when it comes to intimidating the officials while being on duty. We'll continue to get you more reactions on that. In the meantime, we head into a short break. You're watching Times Now.